Assalamu alaikum class. Hope everyone is feeling good. We will start our chapter number 4, that is data communication, page number 125. And first of all, what is data communication? Basically, data communication is the transmission of data between 2 points. Then there are some basic terms of data communication. Data transmission, and the third one is signals, analog signal and digital signals. What is data? Data is basically any type of raw facts and figures which can be used as input. All the inputs we are using in our computer, which we can provide to our computer for any type of processing, is called data. The next one is data transmission. Data transmission means sending information from one place to another place using computer networks, and computer systems. Means that we can say any type of data which we can send through any type of medium. We will discuss our mode of transmissions of data in the next lecture. Any type of medium is called data transmission. The third one is signals, analog signals and digital signals. What are the analog signals? Analog signals are in continuous form. If we can say, if we will take time on x-axis and the voltage on y-axis, you can see here that our signals are in continuous form. Signal is continuously increasing, and then in a continuous form it will decrease downward. And the second thing is digital signals, which we use in our computers. These are not continuous signals. They're discrete between two states, that are maximum and minimum. Here we are discussing voltage. So these are low and high voltage. Low voltage will represent 0 and high voltage will represent 1. Digital signals are represented in two forms. These are binary digits, zeros and ones.